Recovery mode cable. Try iPhone 12, 13, 14. Turn off the phone first. 12 mini. 13 Pro Max. 14. Wait a minute or two. Connect data cable. The USB connection of the flashing line to the computer. Open your flashing software. The first to appear is 12 mini. No need to press any button on the phone. Will automatically enter recovery mode. Can quickly complete the flashing machine. Here the computer keyboard is pressed by the mobile phone. OK. Look at the model number read to the phone. 12 mini. Look at the next player. This is 13 Pro Max. The connection process video is not accelerated. Also very fast into recovery mode. Look at the phone model 13 Pro Max. Data cable is fine. Last player. This is the iPhone 14. It's still a mobile phone without pressing any buttons. Will automatically enter recovery mode. Look at the read model is 14. Demonstration finished.